Hello everyone, I'm Palash Dhavde. I am CTO of Ram Setu. Along with me here today is Rahul Shahu. Ram Setu is an agro-commodity e-auction platform that connects farmers directly to food processing industries and oil mills. Here, you can see how a traditional grain trading system works in current APMC mandis. A long cycle of processes is involved with multiple entities that include farmers, middlemen, APMC mandis, where the physical bidding process takes place, commission agents, brokers, and then finally food industries. Here, we can see that farmer is not directly connected with food industries, which makes him lose a lot of opportunities in the market. Now let us see how inefficient is this traditional model. 15 to 20% of product value is lost in this system as margins and commissions. Transportation takes a cyclical route from one entity to other, resulting in over expenditure. Similarly, the product is packed and unpacked at every time it is weighed at different points. To cope up with this problem, we have introduced a tech based solution with a bidding system that enables farmers to get better prices and food industries to shift their physical purchase methods to a more efficient and digitalized method. Talking about the efficiency, Ram Setu charges only 3 to 5% of platform charge depending upon various commodities, which is far less than 15 to 20% of commissions. Transportation is also made efficient as the product is transported directly from farmer's place to the food industry. Even the packaging is done only once at the time of weighing of product. About the market size of this sector in India, 60% of population is directly or indirectly connected to agriculture sector which aggregate around 540 billion dollars, in which the farming sector accounts for 281 billion dollars and food processing industry takes a large chunk of 135 billion dollars in it. On our platform, two types of users are present. One is seller and another is buyer. Seller is a medium and large scale farmers, while the buyer are food industries and oil mills. Ram Setu has two modes of revenue generation. One is platform fee charged on every deal, and secondly, the subscription based model for buyers where they have to pay an annual fee to use our services on our platform. Our first app was launched in Jan 2022 and we got to see a major participation with a registration of almost 30 plus food industries on our platform with a verified seller base of 500 plus farmers. Our trade value in this particular tribe accounted for 4 CR, generating a core profit of 12 lakh rupees for our company. In the upcoming year, we intend to expand our operations in the state of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. And our projections of trade value is 80 CR, which will lead to a core profit of 2.4 CR for the company. We also intend to connect 20,000 plus verified and registered food companies and 100 plus buyers. Our company has two co-founders, Rahul Shahu and myself. Rahul is CEO while I am the CTO. Rahul manages all the on-ground operations while I provide all the tech-based solutions for the platform. We are here to ask for a fund of $5 million, which is around 40 CR rupees, to expand our area of operations pan-India. We will need this fund in upcoming 14 to 16 months of time. We will be utilizing this fund first of all for improving our technology, secondly expanding our area of operations to other states, then hiring and expanding our current IT team. We will create two marketing teams, one corporate team to acquire food industries and a local team to connect farmers to our platform. We will also run social media targeted marketing in village areas, and we will need a fund reserve for a company to manage its cash flow and burnouts. Currently, agriculture sector contributes a total of 19% in our 2.7 trillion economy, which is expected to reach 28% till the year 2025. It's a good opportunity for all of you to invest in this sector and make the most out of it. You can also by this way you can also lay a helping hand in revolutionizing and digitalizing this untapped and highly unorganized sector. Thank you.